Y'all want to see just how protective Mama Dog is? You can hear her growling at everybody. Brandon, leave the baby alone.
I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch these hands?
Well, and leave it. Yes, nice.
Way to be an asshole.
Тима хороший, иди ко мне. Иди ко мне. Она не сдается. Вот кто у нас сын будет. Выгуливать Софи. Софи, ты в надежных лапках.
Oh my god, how did you guys get up there? Snow, are you comfortable? Oh my god.
You get her off.
I really want to be friends with the other black dog in the house. He doesn't understand that I just want to play with him. He looks a little funny though and seems to keep getting smaller and smaller every day. Why are his ears so little? They don't look like mine. I want to let him know that he is special, but all he does is swat me in the face. Can someone let him know all I want is rubbies?
Ball door. Ball door. It was like, oh shit, that's the whole dog.
I just wanted a piece of him.
I bet if we put that shit on TikTok, it would go insta-viral.
got her security detail.
Well, so this is supposed to be a cat toy, but it's also a Maggie toy. There's balls in here, so Maggie just took some of the cardboard off trying to get to the ball. Cat probably wouldn't do that, but Maggie did.
Don't touch me. 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 Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't. 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 Don't.
What are you doing, Izzy? What are you doing? Get off his back. Okay, so I get home, I find this kitten on the floor, I hear meowing, and the other kittens are in Twix's crate. I don't know where the rest are. There's one, they're everywhere, but why are they in Twix's crate?
Yeah.
Be gentle. Don't eat your brother. Give Kiki a kiss. Try again. Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Give the baby a kiss. No. Okay.